Good morning. So we have broccoli and cauliflower in here. We're gonna make something delicious for today for our lunch. So we don't want to waste our food. So that's why I decided to make something. And now it's washed. And then we have to boil water. And then we just add a tablespoon of salt in here. Yeah. And then wait until it's boiled and put this cauliflower and broccoli. So it's boiling already. Let's add our broccoli and cauliflower. For 8 to 10 minutes. Then let's put the cover. Let's sit it. So lutuin na natin ang ating broccoli. Painitin ang ating pan and add a tablespoon of butter. It's a salted butter. And add a tablespoon of flour. Now it's a teaspoon. And mix it. So when it's already sticky, after a few minutes, let's add our vegetables. So let's add cheddar cheese. There. Here. And also here.